First of all, children, first step I'm telling you people, okay? So here first you write as it is, then you multiply, you change this sign. You are the doubt, having doubt, we should change this sign or this sign, right? So before root part only, you just change
Sir, I
this
didn't
sign.
understand this question.
See, you should rationalize the denominator. Same question type, rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Now understood? It's clear, Akshit?
Yes, sir.
Here
Yes, sir.
you need to change, you should rationalize, you change this sign first, okay? So we'll get here 4 minus root 2 plus root 5 divided by 4 minus root 2 plus root 5. After this, we'll just try to solve.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we need to change only the first term sign, sir.
Yes, yes.
Not
In
the.
this relation, you are having only one sign change, not all the signs.
Okay.
This is actually extra tough questions. They may not ask questions like this in the examination. Extra questions because if people are easy questions, you people are solving very fast. So that's why it took a bit okay, means bit higher level questions.
So 4 minus root 2 plus 5, 4 minus root 2 plus root 5 divided by 6 minus, 6 plus root 5, sir.
See, root, we should remove, how many times you want to rationalize, but root should not come in the denominator, okay? We are rationalizing, why we are rationalizing?
Okay, sir.
Why we are rationalizing? Because we have to remove the root sign from the denominator, okay? We have to remove root sign from the denominator. That's why we are rationalizing it. So we get here 4 minus root 2 plus root 5 divided by.
Sir, is it 4 minus square root 2 plus square root 5 by 19, sir?
Yeah, maybe. Let me solve here. So 4 square minus root 2 plus root 5 whole square, right? But it will not come in this way, no? A square minus. Yeah, tell.
Sir, I
Yes.
have done in different ways, sir. Here 4 plus root 2 and 4 minus root 2 are there, no, sir. So I written them as a plus b and a minus b, and I have done a square minus b square, sir. 4 square minus 2 root, root 2 whole square.
Okay, just try to solve, children. Try to solve. Try to solve. 2 minutes. I'm giving time. Think and just solve what we can do in that.
Yes, sir.
So you're not presenting your screen.
No, you written the question, no? You written the question?
Okay.
Yeah, just to do that. Question is 1 by 4 plus root 2 plus root 5.
So 1 by root 2 plus root 5.
1 by 4 plus root 2 plus root 5. You got the answer, Akshay?
Okay. No, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. That's what you got now.
Sir,
Ah.
that one is 4 minus square root 2 plus square root 5 by 19.
Okay, okay. Same answer you're getting, right?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I got 10 root 5 plus 11 root 2 plus 8 root 10 plus 24 by 4.
Okay. Let me just solve. 4 square is 16 minus root 2 square is 2 plus 5 a square plus b square plus 2ab 2 root 10. After this, what we get? 4 minus root 2 plus root 5 divided by 16 minus 7 plus 2 root 10. After this, what we can do? Here children, see here, this you just write here bracket. If you not write bracket, it will be very difficult. See, this is bracket, no? Because this part is, we are just keeping as it is, and we are changing this sign only, plus to minus. Don't forget to put sign over here. This is bracket. Otherwise, this will make you confusion. Okay, root 2 plus root 5. You should make it here bracket. Next, 4 minus root 2 minus root 5. 4 minus root 2 minus root 5 divided by 16 minus 7 is 9. 9 minus 2 root 10. Well, all children are getting like this only, a different answer. Then we should again rationalize here. 9 plus 2 root 10 and 9 minus 2 root 10. You are getting this, all of you. Just write this much. Akshit, this much like this only you did, or some different way?
Yeah, sir, I did like this only.
Okay. Again, you have to multiply this 4 by whole thing, right? Root 2 by whole thing. Root 5 minus
Hello,
2.
sir.
Yeah, tell Shamvi.
You know when you said 9 plus root 2 plus 10 by 9 minus root 2, 9 minus 2 root 10, is it 9 plus 2 root 10?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, here is 9 plus. Now we can solve 4 multiplied by 9 plus 2 root 10. Again minus root 2. 9 plus root 2 root 10. Again you should write minus root 5. Then 9 plus 2 root 10. Whole divided by 9 9s are 81 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 10s are 40. Then again what you can do, and write 4 9s are 36 plus 4 2s are 8, 8 root 10 minus 9 root 2. Again plus minus 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 2 root 20. Again plus 9 root, sorry, minus 9 root 5. 9 root 5 minus 2 root 3 whole divided by 41. Akshit, you did in same way. Again, what we can do? See, 36
Yes, sir.
as 36 as it is, you write plus 8 root 10. What we can write for root 10? What we can write for root 10?
So 2 into 5.
1 minute. It's going. 2 root 5 you are saying? This is 2, yeah, 2 root 5, yes. 2 root 5, no? 10 is root 10 only, no? You can't write 10 root 5 and all. 10 is root 10 only, you can't change. 2 5
Yes,
is 10, yeah. Minus 9 root 2. See, this 20 you can change. That you can write here 2 root 5, okay? So you can write 2 2s are 4, 4 root 5 you can write or not?
Sir.
Understood?
Can we write 8 root 2 into 5, sir?
Which this one?
36 plus 8 root 2 into 5.
36 plus 8
30.
root 36 plus
8 root 2 into 5.
no, you can write. If you, but root only you should write here. Inside the root only you can write 2 into 5. But what is the use of it?
Yes.
Don't write here. If root is coming, no, just write 10 only. Don't write 2 into 5. Okay. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Huh? What you're saying, Harani? What is the doubt? Tell me.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, sir. Understood.
9 root 5, then minus. Here root 50, what we can write for root 50? 10 into 5. Or you can write 2 into 5, 10 into 5. So this can be written as 5 root 2. Is it clear, children? So 5 2s are 10, 10 root 2. I think it's clear to all, right? Now you just see.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
See, 36
Yes,
is
sir.
alone. The 36 alone, you write 36 as it is. Root 10 is also alone here. So you write here plus 8 root 10. Root 2 is also here as well as here. So you can write here minus 19 root 2. Again, root 5 is here, root 5 is here. So you can write minus 13 root 5 whole divided by 41. Is it clear? So this is your final answer. It's coming so complicated. See, only here, this is only root part you have to solve. That's it. If any steps you are having doubt, you can ask. Any steps if people are having doubt, you can ask.
Sir, can we cancel 36 and sir, in any other one, can we cancel 36 and 41, sir? Not in this
No.
problem,
This-
like such problems.
See, any problem, if it is covering division, multiplication, then only numerator and denominator can cancel. Otherwise, you can't cancel. Okay, in addition, subtraction, never cancel. But here, 41,
Yes,
no,
sir.
41 you can't cancel. This is your prime number, you can't cancel also.
That's
Yeah.
yes, sir.
What are co-prime numbers? You know, children, what are the co-prime numbers? You know, what are co-prime numbers, children? I don't think you will know. You know means well and good. See, prime, you know,
Sir,
composite
we
you
didn't
know.
learn. I didn't learn.
Yeah, co-prime is actually basic only what they learned from childhood, not this one is high-fi something. Okay, anyway, I just teach you. Co-prime is having no two numbers having only one as a common factor. If you want to, I'm writing here, co-prime is nothing but two numbers. Co means if co is coming means two people are there. So here two numbers having only one common factor. One common means one as common factor. One as common factor. Okay.
Sir, so the HCF is 1.
Yeah, exactly. HCF of co-prime numbers is 1. Are 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers? 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
5.
5.
5 and 7,
Okay.
11 and
Fine,
13.
sir. Okay. 6 and 35. Are they co-prime?
No, sir.
So they are co-prime. They can be.
Yeah, see, both are
Uh,
prime. Sorry, both are composite numbers. But these are co-prime or not? Shreyanvi, what you are saying, it's not a co-prime. Shreyanvi, what you are saying, it's not
Sir,
Yes,
co-prime.
sir.
It's co-prime or not?
For 6 and 35.
Yeah. See, it doesn't mean that this should be composite number. Okay, it may be prime. Sorry, it may be composite number. It may be prime number also. Okay. So 6 you can write 2 into 3,
sir,
but
6
35.
and 35, the factors are 2 and 3 only.
So these both are what? Composite numbers. These both are what? Sorry, co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. See, it looks like co-prime. By name, people will get confused here. Co means both are prime. So here see, both are composite. But combination of both is what? Co-prime. Understood, children? Sai Charan, Harini, Shyanvi, it's clear.
Yes.
It doesn't mean
Yes,
that,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yeah, it doesn't mean that both numbers are prime. Both numbers may be composite, but their factor must be only one as a common factor. Okay. So next question is this. You can simplify this 729 to the power 1 by 6. Can you simplify this? All of you just try. Can you simplify this 729 to the power 1 by 6? These type of questions are very, very easy. Simply you just go side 729, just you try to divide by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 243. 3 again. 81. Again 3. 3 2s are 6. 7s are 3 9 3 3. 3 to the power 6 is coming over here. 3 to the power 6. 4 to the power 1 by 6. So you know, children, 3 to the power 6 into 1 by 6.
So 3 is the answer.
3 is the answer. But before
Sir,
this,
is the answer 243 by 2?
which one? A1. Answer is 3. Akshit. See, before
Oh,
this,
sir, it's 3 by 6, right? 3 to the power 6.
see 3 to the power 6. Again, here, question only they have given 1 by 6 also. Power is 1 by 6. So if you multiply 6 into 1 by 6, you will get this 6 and this 6 get cancelled. But before this, children, I have to teach you this part. Law of exponents. Okay. This one you should learn first. A to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n.
Yes, 16 is the answer, sir.
Which one? Which one you take about Harani? Which one?
P1, sir.
B1 you are saying 64. 64 is 4 4 is 64 to the power 3 into.
Sir,
Yeah, say. Don't solve this one right now. Let me tell you the
Sir,
concept first. You can write like this also 2 to the power 6.
Okay, sir.
2 to the power 2 by 3. Like this also you can do. So 2 to the power 6 into 2 by 3. So 3 to the 6. Your answer is 2 to the power 4. That is 16. Okay. So getting 16 as the answer, right?
Okay.
So
Yes, sir.
before that, you try to understand the law of exponents. So a to the power m into
Yes.
a to the power n. If your base are same, then we can add the powers m plus n. If base are same, then we can add the powers. Example is 3 to the power 2 multiply 3 to the power minus 3. Then we can write here 3 to the power 2 plus minus 3. That is 3 to the power 2 minus 3. That is 3 to the power minus 1. So we can write 1 by 3. Any steps you are having doubt? If you are having base as same, base means this is 3 and here also is 3. If this both are same, your power should be added. That's it. First question is that only. Okay. Again, here you see, second is, I think here missing it out. We can write here a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n.
minus n.
Okay, we can subtract the powers if base are same and we are dividing to each other, then we can subtract the powers. Okay. Again, a to the power m to the power n, we can write here m to the power n. Like example is 2 to the power 6 to the power 1 by 6. We can multiply here 2 to the power 6 into 1 by 6, that is 2. So this law we are using over there in that question. Okay. First we are solving inside part, then we are multiplying the power. A to the power m to the power n is equals to a to the power mn. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So
Yes,
next,
sir.
next power is, if here see base are different. This they may ask here base are different, but your powers are same. See here m and n. So if m and n powers are same, so you can write ab to the power n. We can multiply the bases. Okay. Then a to the power 0 is equals to 1. Anything to the power 0 is equals to 1. Anything to the power minus 3 to the power 0 is equals to what? 1. A to the power 1 is a only. A to the power n. Suppose a 3 to the power minus 1. We can write 1 by 3. 3 to the power minus 3. 3 to the power minus 3. What we can write? 1 by 3 to the power 3. If we are changing the negative sign, then the thing will get reverse. Okay. If I'm writing 1 by 2 to the power minus 2, we can write it as 2 to the power 2. Is it clear, children? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you are changing the
Yes.
negative sign to positive, we have to reciprocal it. See here, if it is down, we can take it up and we can write it positive. So these are the 7 laws of exponents. If you know, you can solve that type of sums. So I think almost everything is clear. Again, we'll do the sums. How much sums we can do? We keep on doing. Okay.